channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today's video is kind of a serious video. You can see the setup and everything is different because I'm in a different place, of course. And today's video is about unboxing this camera and basically showing this camera to you guys, because I could not keep myself away from opening it and seeing how the camera looked. So yeah, I recently bought a new camera and it is the Canon EOS M200. I bought it from Flipkart and it retailed around 39,900 rupees. Yeah, basically 40,000. So this is the bag they gave me for the camera. So we'll talk about this later. Firstly, I'll show you how my camera looks, and yeah, I'm very excited about this video. Okay, so first off, we have this manual which we do not need to look at, and then I'll start off with I'll go from the less important parts of the camera to the most important part. Alright, firstly, then we have this auxiliary cable. No, this is the charging cable. And yeah, so this charges. Basically, everybody knows what a charging cable does. And then we have this battery holder for the charging thing. Okay, this is basically the same for every camera, whether it's Nikon or Canon or whatever, or Sony. So next up we have this. So this is the lens that they gave us. Of course, how will a camera work without a lens? Now the most important thing is the camera itself. And this is how my camera looks. It's so cute, you guys. Look at this vlogging camera. I've always wanted a vlogging camera. I'm not a very big fan of those DSLRs. So yeah, I really wanted a nice mirrorless vlogging camera. And the main thing about this camera is this flip screen, which I absolutely love, because I need to see myself in the viewfinder every time I vlog, because that is something that I cannot vlog without. So I'm so happy that this has a full flip screen. I've seen a lot of cameras that cannot flip completely, like they flip up to this much. Yeah, so I did not want to take those, but yeah, this is a full flip screen and I am so excited about this camera. And now I want to check how the camera is. So yeah, this is the quality of this camera. Do let me know how did you guys like the quality. And yeah, I'm so happy that I'm finally using this vlogging camera to vlog. So this is how my camera looks, and amazing, you guys. This is so amazing. I'm so excited to use this camera. They also give me a free 8 GB memory card, and this camera has a warranty of 2 years. So yeah, that is it. And the bag that we have is a basic camera bag that they provide to every camera, no matter whichever you buy, because I had a DSLR and that was also from Canon, and they gave me the same bag. So yeah, they gave me this. They give the same bag for every camera, which is a little annoying, because I expected to have a smaller bag, because this is a smaller camera, so that I can fit it into everything. But yeah, that they gave a large as bag, which is a little annoying. But other than that, I love this camera. This is so amazing, you guys, and I'm so excited to use this camera. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys very soon. So yeah, until then, bye guys. Also, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.